Hi there. Let's make vegan fish. Low FODMAP. Vegan. Let's start with cutting courgette, or zucchini, or whatever you call it, into strips. Next, make shallow cuttings. Thanks to that sauce, we'll penetrate zucchini. Today's dish will be extra light. Only zucchini, Worcestershire sauce, and starch. If you want add spices, add it to starch. I have vegan and low FODMAP, Worcestershire sauce. I'll pour it over my zucchini. Next, I'll cover it with starch. If you want more spices, mix them with starch. Now let's fry our zucchini. If you're on low FODMAP diet and can't eat zucchini at all, use patapan squash. It's easier to digest. When zucchini is golden, take it off the pan. It really tastes like fish, in a good way. To add some more texture to this dish, fry rice paper in oil for a few seconds and smash it over zucchini. Thanks for watching.